Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Slimline Sayings bundle and the Waves of Inspiration designer series paper. So here is the first Slimline card that I want to show you that I created with the Slimline Sayings bundle, and I used some of the Waves of Inspiration designer series paper and rhinestones. They're just so pretty. I can't get enough of them. Here is the Slim Sayings bundle. It has all these fun sayings and these long dies to make your slimline cards. Slimline cards normally are 7 by 8.5, scored at 3.5. And I'm gonna also show you these edgelets in another video, so make sure to check out all my slimline videos. Okay. So for this card, I have cut out of the paper the die. So this is the die, and you can use, any of the papers. I've used different papers here. And then what I've done is I have laid it on top of a piece of 3 by 8, or you could use 3 1/4 by 8 1/4, and I've slowly glued down each piece. So I glued down all of these pieces using this as the guide, and then I removed this, and I'm going to use this on another card that I'm going to show you in a bit. But I'm going to go ahead and trim off some of these edges right here. And this is based on a technique that Sarah, the CEO of the company, showed in her weekly Facebook Live, and I thought it was really cool, so wanted to share it with you guys as well. So I'm gonna trim like each edge just to make sure it's all nice and even. And some of them I'm just gonna trim with scissors because they're so narrow that it would just be easier to do with scissors. This one I'm just gonna do scissors. Okay, and this one I will do with the trimmer so I can get a nice edge there. I think I need new trimmer blades, but I will replace those later. Oh, wait, nope. Okay, I will replace it now because I want to trim this into 3 pieces. So I'm just going to take this off. Still feels sharp, but it's like tearing the page. And this is the first time I've changed it, so lasted for a while. And I just have this little thing that I keep with all my little trimmer blades in it. So I'm just going to put this one in, and then we're going to cut this into 3 pieces. So we're going to do each inch since it's 3 inches wide. So, ooh, much better, much better. I'm kind of tempted to retrim this side too, but I will leave it. And then at 1 inch, I might retrim this side. So 1 inch. Kind of want to move it over just a little bit more so the points are all in a row. Whoops, because I want to get the points. This does not want to stay, so I'm going to hold it over here. Okay, looks like I'm not going to get the points. I don't know how that happened. Maybe if I go this way. Okay, good enough. All right, cool. So that was the way it went. So now I'm just going to mix these up a little bit. Kind of fun. I'm gonna go like that because that's different, and I'm gonna go like that because that's a little bit different. Sorry, I feel like I want to just trim this a little bit again because some of these edges are... Okay, all right. So now I have a piece of 7.5, or I'm sorry, 7, scored at 3.5, and then 8.5 tall. So I'm just gonna add these 3 pieces on here, kind of space these out to where I want them to be. So kind of like that. And I'm just going to adhere them on with some Stampin' Seal. Okay. This one I want to trim a little bit too. It's always nice to have a sharp trimmer. Okay. I'll line this one up. Just move it over a little bit. Kind of fun to have that space in there. Okay. And then we'll put this one over here, like that. And then I'm going to use my mini trimmer over here, and I'm just gonna cut a little bit off the top just to make it a little more even around the edge. So super cool. Okay, so now I'm going to add a sentiment and a layer, and I've used the Tasteful Labels dies, this one and this one right here, and I've cut out some more of that fun wave paper, and it's stuck. Okay. And I've stamped You're Really Fabulous in Pacific Point from the Slimline Sayings stamp set. And so I'm just going to add these on with dimensionals. And then we'll add some of those pretty rhinestones. Okay, we'll use the darkest blue rhinestones. I'm gonna get one of these large ones and put it like right there. And then I'm gonna get 2 little ones. Put there. And come on, like over here. So pretty. Now I do want to show you, don't throw this away. We're still going to use it. I'm just going to wipe all this off. Super, super fun to be able to use both sides. So I've got more of the Waves of Inspiration DSP. Ooh, that side's really cool too. Could do that side, but this is really striking if you do this side. I think that's really, really striking. So you can add that on and then layer it on some Pacific Point, like so. Okay. And then you can stamp the wave in Pacific Point and cut out a wave from the blue foil. So let's see, the stamp set is right here. Here's that gorgeous wave. And then the dies are over here. And here's the wave die right there. And then you can add some clouds and sentiment, and then you can color this in. So I just took a water painter, and after I adhered on the foil, I just went in and added a little bit of water, and the water picked up the ink and basically colored in the wave to create the wave. And then I added some of the clouds. So here's the clouds, and then I think I'm gonna place this up here, and I'm gonna add some pelicans right there somehow or something. So don't throw away the extra piece. You can use it to create a beautiful card as well. So I will work on this one later. So that's that. I am offering this as a free card class when you purchase the bundle, and it includes 2 of these cards with the Waves of Inspiration supplies, and supplies for 2 of these with the artistically inked bundle, and then 2 of these cards with the Dahlia Days bundle. So place your order online using my current host code for any of these bundles, or the Slimline Sayings bundles, or $40 order using my current host code, and email me and tell me you would like the Slimline Cards class, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my videos on these fun Slimline cards using the Slimline Sayings bundle. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you know every time I go live or post a new video. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.